In this video, I'll help you find the top 5 best car or car-related stocks in the market as of right now. We're going to use Tykr, which is a huge time saver, and if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get started. So looking at my screen, we'll go to assets and then to stocks. We can see as of right now, we got about 49,000 stocks in the market. That number changes every day because there's stocks going public and other stocks going back to private. All right, the first thing we want to do is organize our columns. So go to personalize. You can turn on and off whatever columns you want, and then you can change the order just like this. And I like to see that summary right up top. That's that traffic light rating system where stocks are either on sale, watch, overpriced. That's green, gray, or red. And then I like to see the score, the margin of safety, the 4M. The 4Ms are driven by AI. That's the math part. Then you have the meaning, then the moat, then the management. Then we've got the 7. The 7 is the number one most important column by a long shot. It is essentially the easy button. We take all the ratings and roll it up to a score between 0 and 7. If you can get a 5, 6, or 7, in most cases, not all, but most, the returns of those stocks are typically beating the market. Of course, like I said, no guarantees on that. All right, we've got our column set up. Let's hit apply. Well, let's get started. So first off, I want to get rid of all the noise. Let's get rid of all the stocks that could potentially lose our money. So we're going to flip this to on sale, and that narrows it down to about 4,800 stocks. Now what we want to do is we're looking at the sector and industry. Now when it comes to cars or automotive, there's not a sector and there's only 11 sectors, but there's about 100 industries, give or take. And what we want to do here is let's go to industry. We're going to type in auto, and we're going to select all and see what this number turns into. We'll hit apply. Narrows it down to about 167. So we have a few stocks to choose from. So let's narrow it down a little more. We know we need a score on the 7 between 5 and 7. Let's see what we get. Narrows it down to about 36 stocks. That's great. All right. And then we have our 5-year returns ranked. You can see here from highest to lowest. And again, we want to beat 80%. That's that key number over 5 years. Again, we don't want to just find stocks that are beating the market the last year. We look at consistency last 5 years. Then you go to the next row here. This is force. Now you may see duplicates. The reason is you can have the same company in multiple exchanges around the world. There are some people that'll be like, hey, you've got duplicates. They're not duplicates. It's the same stock in multiple exchanges because we've got customers in over 50 countries. So we do have to serve their exchanges as well, not just the main ones in the US. That would be the New York Stock Exchange or of course the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is global, but a lot of US stocks there. All right, so keep going here. We got another one that's, we've got 2. This is Lumax Auto, Hujang Natural, SML, but look at these returns, 900%, 778, 722, 719. Again, you get that higher score on the 7. In most cases, you get higher returns in the market. There is very much a correlation there. All right, we'll keep scrolling down. I mean, there's a lot in here, very consistent with the returns. Look at that, 278, 238, 237, 225. It's outstanding. All right, now I'm curious here because I'm looking here at the share price. You can see different currencies. Like I see rupees on a few of the stocks up top. I want to narrow it down to just US stocks, or in this case, I'm going to change the currency to USD. So currency I've got set here. Let's go USD, hit apply. Takes it down to 7 stocks. All right, now let's take a look at the returns here. With the 7 score, we see 6s, we see 5s. That's great. All right, here we go. 296, 197, 193, 136, 86. So the top 5 are beating the market, that 80% mark. And then we see 2 here. They're producing positive returns, but they're not keeping up with the market. So you can see here, that's a great example. The 7, it's not always going to beat the market, but in most cases it does. So there you go. There are the top 5, or in this case, 7 best car stocks or car-related stocks in the market. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. And if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. And of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.